SAP HR Reporting. Reporting tools. Users group and info sets need to be created first before one creates any queries. Fields by assigning to a field group simplifies searching query or mechanism in SAP HR. Ad hoc query uses features that are output data for selected objects, functional groups, and fields. To define a functional area, first an info type needs to be derived with its logical database. Next, it is important to create user groups, and then assignment happens for functional area to user groups, and finally, creation of functional group happens. Some of the reporting tools available in SAP HR are 1. HIS, 2. InfoSet Query, 3. SAP Query, and 4. Business Information Warehouse. HIS report hierarchical structures like organizational structure, customer hierarchies, and business event hierarchies, along with HR data. SAP structural graphics show the data which has two windows to show off, of which the first shows an object and the second one shows a list of available reports. InfoSet query accesses data from anywhere in the HR system by selection and output mechanism. No programming skills are required to use InfoSet queries, and it is an easy to use SAP reporting tool. InfoSet queries with all its versions in SAP R3 system and SAP ERP central component, which is ECC, helps in combining organizational management and personal administration data. SAP Query is a cross-application reporting tool which creates reports without any hierarchy. Just like InfoSet queries, SAP Query does not require any programming skills. SAP Query can be configured by 1. Creation of query groups by transaction code SQ03, 2. Assignment of users to query groups, 3. Creation of infosets by transaction code SQ02, and 4. Assignment of infosets to a query group by transaction code SQ01. Business Information Warehouse is part of the SAP R3 system where data is extracted from SAP data processing systems and other external systems before presenting it out through this interface. This can be used over the internet, and employees with adequate authorization and permission can view the data and aid decision making. Standard reports in SAP HR is found in HR sub-modules, which are 1. Payroll, 2. Time management, 3. Personal administration, 4. Organizational management, and 5. Training and event management. Employee-related data can be viewed by the managers or the manager's desktop and can also view customer-specific data. The manager's desk can connect with line managers for financial accounting data and can control the way it could be rendered as information snippets. Logical database. Logical database in SAP HR HCM are programs that read data from SAP relational databases and are one of PAP, PCH, and PNP. Logical database PNP accesses HR master data and info types from personal planning and provides reports on cost, number of attendees booked, and the instructor of a business event where the employee is a participant. PAP database accesses recruitment data. PCH reports all types of HR info types. PNP also provides planned compensation for an employee's position and provides for his or her detailed working time. SAP Operational and Strategic Reporting. Executive Information System gives one a method of extracting, combining, and summarizing R3 data into a MIS or Management Information System for its usage at the level of an operational control. So also, what remains significant is SAP HCM's ability to bring together and report operational data at other levels as well. Operational data can be pulled from a variety of sources of information and presented in tools like the Business Information Warehouse. Strategic reporting, as it is done in a DSS or a decision support system or OLAP system or the online analytical process system, and they focus on supplying the user with special reports and analysis. DSS system also brings in third-party data which is based on external information on economic and industry conditions. Management components take the strategic reporting to the next level by provision of an electronic takeoff point from where the business is managed effectively. Benefits to customers. Implementation of SAP no doubt benefits the customers. One company is said to improve by better utilization of SAP reports, improved a great deal in decentralized and uncontrolled procurement processes, saving hundreds of thousands of dollars by reducing after the fact purchase orders, realizing bulk discounts, and reducing rogue buying. One and other company revamped their invoice systems, eliminating the need to track 1,75,000 paper invoices, both from a control and quality perspective. Another company saved more than $3 million annually in employee productivity by simply moving their expensive reporting system to SAP CATS, which is time entry in SAP HR system. And lastly, a lot of companies saved heavily when they migrated from a Unix enterprise environment to a SAP based environment. The savings mostly in a ready reckoner report and seamless processing power and reduced licensing costs.